Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw on your door trim. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing and the trim is loose. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to open up our door, and you can see right here on this door trim we've got a screw. It's a bit loose, won't screw in all the way, so we're going to remove that. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to do that. Okay, and we're going to discard our old screw. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to screw it in, we'll just set it in this hole here again. Get our Phillips head screwdriver and screw it back into place. There we go. Now our trim's on there and it's nice and secure. So we'll close the oven door and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.